It's springtime in Luxembourg, so time to bake with rhubarb. In this month's Taste of Luxembourg, we are making the ultimate Luxembourgish springtime tart, a Rubbarbstaart. For this recipe, you'll need fresh rhubarb, lemon zest, sugar, butter, cream, flour, and eggs. So in Luxembourg, there's two different kinds of rhubarb tart. There's the yeasted dough one and another one made with shortcrust pastry. And I'm team shortcrust, so we'll make that today. So let me show you my recipe for my foolproof shortcrust pastry. I use it in all my tarts, all my sweet bakes. It just works wonderfully. And you'll need a food processor because this is going to make the dough in no time. So in goes my flour with some sugar and a pinch of salt. I'm adding some cold butter cubes and an egg, of course. And then you'll also need 3 tablespoons of water for the dough to come together. And I'm also adding a little special touch today, some lemon zest, and that will work beautifully with the rhubarb. And now I just need to wrap the dough in cling film and keep it in the fridge for a good 2 hours to firm up. Now over to my beautiful rhubarb. And I know that lots of Luxembourgers have got a rhubarb bulb in their garden, and many tend to peel their rhubarb, but you don't actually need to. So if they're young and fresh and bouncy and not woody at all, you can just use them straight as is. Just wash them and chop them. Gosh, I just love the pink and green colors of rhubarb. So beautiful. So now I'm adding a bit of sugar to it, and I'm adding another little special touch of mine, some cinnamon. Now this will drain out the juices from the rhubarb, which is great because it will prevent our tart from getting a soggy bottom, but it needs to rest overnight in a colander. So this goes in the fridge and will continue tomorrow. So my rhubarb has nicely drained. I've got lots of juices in there, and don't discard them because they are absolutely delicious, stirred through yogurt or even added to a little cheeky crémant. And now all that's left to do before I roll out my dough is make a lovely custard to snuggle my rhubarb in. For that, I'm beating 3 eggs and I'm adding some sugar and vanilla sugar and some cream. And then it's time to roll out the cold dough and assemble the tart. And now the tart only needs to bake for 40 minutes at 170°C fan. And there you have it, a classic Rubbarbstaart wie bei der Boma.